So, this section talks about how the student will be able to prepare beautifully well for the examination. And you can put them in the bulleted points. For example, you say this study guide will provide you with an in-depth knowledge you need in order to complete the exams. Now, if you have a PowerPoint presentation aside this study guide, you also tell them to review the PowerPoint presentation. If you have an audio capture, we also have to tell them to listen to the audio capture, because there we can give them an example. That's okay. For instance, let me give you an hypothetical example. The woman goes to the market, he buys this, he buys that. Of course, this cannot be contained in your textual material, but it can be contained in your audio material. So you may have to ask them to listen to the MP3 format, the audio presentation, aside the lecture notes, view the video capture to see the imagery of what you're talking about, and of course this will afford them the benefit of passing the examination. Alright. So that's the 7th point that we have to discuss on the study guide.